Uthandwa Nesithembu and Khat was basically focused on impilo kaMayeni and Vuyokazi Nxiweni. Went on and on about why Mhluphekazi left Umzumbe and how Mayeni was not happy about it because Uvekazi took her under false pretense ukuthi uzombuyisa but did not bring her back. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthandwa Nesithembu and Khat. So the episode started with just going back to impilo kaMayeni no Mselegu back in the day when it was all nice. And then they started saying, where did it all go wrong? Because as we saw in the last season, uMayeni was not happy at all. Mselegu busy, ephahla etshela uFlo kuba naba abafazi bamjikele uMayeni naye uhambile nje useshabeni. Even the kids were not okay. Mpumelelo saying that since uma uhambile the kids are not fine. We saw Umnini crying, Kelela uma wakhe, because it was said Umayeni was not there. And also the dinner that led to a lot of things that went wrong. Mselegu, when he invited the wives to come and watch Uthandwa Nesithembu, the part where he went out to know number 5, Usamge Khwela. Umayeni was not happy at usibizeleni usizobukela lento. Why did you not just be honest with us ukuthi ufuna sizobukela Uthandwa Nesithembu? Because angiyiboni into osibizele yona la. Umayeni was not happy at all, saying that since you called us here, tell us ubani lo muntu. But I remember Umusa could not say because that he must first talk to Macele about it. Umayeni na umchatha no Macele. But Umayeni being outspoken as she is, wamngena kumselegu. I remember even the diary sessions where they got heated. Umayeni emtshela ukuba wena awuzimeli indaba zakho, uqala into and then uyayeka. Umseleke busy, uyabonaka that famous, uyabonaka because Mayeni was not giving her a chance to speak. At the end, Mayeni umseleke ended up standing up, wahamba wamshiya ehleli phansi. Athe mlalela la-ke wena bhuti wabantu, mina engizwe ngawe wena. Wagcina sehamba umseleko athe hamba vele, hawu uzenza isilima la. Like, so Umayeni like was really like very hurtful at the time. I remember it was heated. And also remember the time that they got that he did the dinner in Mzumbe with that house yakhe, invited the wives, but Umayeni didn't go. I remember Mseleko going to the house to beg Umayeni to come to the dinner. Umayeni refusing, saying ngize because you've been saying that I'm delusional. Uma nonkosikazi wakhe, remember Makhumalo once said Umayeni unokuba delusional, enze ngathi into akayikhuluma kanti uyikhulumile. So that delusional word ayemphatha kahle Umayeni, because Umseleko repeated that word ingathi uma noma Khumalo. So nje it just made things worse. Ethi umbiza kanjani ukuthi delusional. It's okay fine, since mina delusional ke hamba kohlala amakhosikazi wakhe ngekho delusional ni enjoy idina. Umseleko wathi the reason she was begging her to come to the dinner, apparently it's a footage that we never saw, it's because the production producer Uthandwa Nesithembu were saying that they will not pay Umayeni if she does not attend the dinner. But Umayeni was like, ayikho lento leyo. How is it that ngingikhokhele while I've been doing all the other things that I've been obliged to do just because of dinner one? And to be honest, namanje still lawa shooting. Why is it that I won't be paid just because of one dinner? Avela bona nje Umayeni ukuthi hayi this thing oyikhuluma umseleko ayikho. Umseleko asho ukuthi nje yazi Umayeni uvela agcile entweni and then ame lapha, there's nothing you can do to convince her otherwise. Umayeni vele wazama ukumchazela ukuthi yazini umseleko umseleko like unento ukuthi azenze ngathi asikhohlwise because she's been mistreating her, and yena nje she's not going to stand up for izinto ezingamphathi kahle, also because she's trying to nest health yakhe, so she will not nje give in to anything that's not serving her right. And then bakhombe-ke ukuthi one thing that really broke the last thing season 8, Umayeni is sitting nomngani wakhe at some restaurant. The friend is apparently someone who was dating cousin Kamseleko, and their friends Umayeni, they became friends then, and they've been friends since, so that they're just talking and narrating ukuthi Umayeni, because there was a time Umayeni waphatheka kabi wahamba, went back home oshabeni. Umseleko busy akazi nokuthi Umayeni uhlalaphi, knowing exactly ukuthi Umayeni ukubo uhambile ekhaya. Umayeni, then they met a footage that was not shown to us ukuthi Umayeni athi Umseleko needs to hamba yogeza kubo for mistreating her, ukuthi akazange amphathe kahle. I don't know if Mseleko ended up doing this or not. We're probably going to see this in the next season. Ukuthi ugcina yenzile lento yokuhamba yogeza kubo ukuthi akamphathanga kahle. And then umngane wakhe also says ukuthi wena nawe nokuba you need to like uzothe, because at times you speak too much ngezinto zokuthi it's like awusamhloniphi Mseleko. Athi wena if you were in the same situation enguyo, would you ungayimela yini lento? Ngabona umngane wakhe ahlehla asho ukuthi hayi nami I wouldn't stand it obviously. And then athi uyayibona ungayikhuluma into ongeke wayimela, awazi ukuthi kushisa kanjani la. And then so we saw Kumadari sessions last time. I think footages that were not shown. Umseleko wakhuluma Mayeni, because Mayeni is outspoken, she speaks non-stop. Umseleko wagqeneza nalento, the thing that has been trending is uyabona-ke when Mayeni was not even giving her a chance to speak. Mayeni went on and on emcela ukuba hey wena lumenemene kabi wena usicathayo singamakhosikazi wakho, you're the one who's causing all this confusion, all this, because awusiphathi kahle, you don't treat us equally. And then ke umngane wakhe ambuza ukuba how are things now, kuthiwa now things are better because everyone has their own house. Ngifocusele nje entweni yami, I'm not going to focus on other people, and also because even the time when I was still staying in Mzumbe, also things would happen that I was not told about. So I've learned to just focus on myself, because nje being patwa, I was treated like a neighbor, even though bengihlala eMzumbe izinto ngaziboni, ngingatshelwa ngazo ngibone nje sezenzeka egqekeni eMzumbe. So nje I've decided ukuthi since I'm treated as a neighbor, ngizozibela nje umakhelwane kulesithembu ngihlalele nje. And then the friend also brought in indaba kaVuyokazi Nciweni, i-ex-girlfriend kaMpumelelo ke, and then says umayeni athi ukuthi as I miss the kids, especially uMhlophekazi, because wamkhulisa uMhlophekazi. So apparently Uvuyekazi took uMhlophekazi last year, wamthatha, she was meant to bring her back around 20 something July and 2024, but akamlethanga. So Uvuyekazi like took uMhlophekazi under false pretense uzomletha and did not bring her back. So Mayeni, she tried calling Uvuyekazi after that happened, to find out what's going on, why mntwana ngasabuyi, but Uvuyekazi ignored her calls. And umayeni usho ukuthi akaphathanga kahle really, because uMhlophekazi she had built a bond uMhlophekazi. Mhlophekazi stayed in Mzumbe for a while, for a long time, umkhulisile. So it was not nice ukuthi uvele wamthatha njalo. She should have been honest with her, asho ukuthi uyamthatha umntwana. She would have understood. And then things also surface ukuthi Umseleko uthi umayeni no Mpumelelo mistreating Vuyo, bebangamfuni uVuyo, bebangamphathi kahle. He's the one who fought for Vuyokazi. Saying ukuthi uyohambe welanda uVuyekazi wengamfuni noMpumelelo. Umayeni masingakhulumi ngoVuyekazi, let's not talk about Vuyokazi. Mayeni did not want to get into this issue of Vuyokazi, saying ukuthi blaming things on behavior kaMpumelelo was njani. So akafunde ukukhuluma ngoVuyekazi, because nje izinto at the time were not fine. I-relationship yakhe noMpumelelo beyinjani, and she feels like ukuthi she does not want to divulge in this. So Umseleko then went on and on about how they were not treating Vuyokazi well. I remember the last episode uThando izingane zesithembu, they did show the meeting when after uNzulu was born. They tried to get them back together, Mpumelelo no Vuyokazi, just to talk, because Vuyokazi after Mpumelelo aired on TV ukuthi yena uzothatha iTshitshi and not Vuyokazi as the first wife. Vuyokazi was not happy about that, and that's when she broke on contact with Mpumelelo and the family. And then so now they tried to bring them together. I remember how condescending Mpumelelo was in that meeting, like ethule nje ngathi he does not even want to be there. Umseleko going on about how he wants uVuyokazi to be Umseleko bride, funa nje balungisa into zabo if they still love each other. But nje from that meeting Mpumelelo was like he had checked out now. It didn't seem like he's willing to work on it. Mayeni was just sitting there saying ukuthi uMpumelelo angabaphathi kabi. Like from that I did not read anything about anything bad, between any bad vibes between Mayeni no Vuyokazi. But then Umseleko was saying that Mayeni no Mpumelelo did not want uVuyokazi. Umayeni athi ungathi bengamfuni, bengamazi. Like I wonder what happened, because uVuyakazi released a statement saying ukuthi bathi bamkhulisile umhlophekazi race, you don't know what you're talking about, and that there was a lot of things that were happening that she will not divulge into, but there's a lot that happened in that family, and yeah, nanje people can blame her all they want, but nje she went through a lot. And so like also I don't understand why uVuyakazi was brought in with this episode, because why did they talk about her so much, considering that she's no longer with Mpumelelo? Why can't they let her just be, like, let her live in her life in peace? Because to be honest, half of this episode was about Vuyakazi Ncweni, and it doesn't make sense. Why do they keep bringing her up? Huh? Why? Umsele even saying ukuthi they paid uVuyakazi is lying, saying ukuthi abamhlawulelanga uNzulu uMhlophekazi. They did. The only one they didn't pay damages for uNzulu, because uNzulu already uVuyakazi usethola uthando. Remember that time when she was dating the chef who paid lobola for her? So that's why I assume that's why uVuyakazi was not giving them a chance to see the babies and all that. So Umselegu saying this, I understand uVuyakazi umthathelana uMhlophekazi. It's as if uVuyakazi should not take uMhlophekazi just because they paid damages. I mean, umntwana uhleli nonina, like uMayeni said, abantwana bahleli nonina. Yes, it's painful ukuthi they left like that, and uyamkhumbula uMhlophekazi, but at the end of the day bahlezi nonina, and like there's nothing she can do about it. Just wish uVuyakazi was honest about it. So it seems like there's a lot that went on, and only them who are in the inside, like who went through these things, know exactly what happened. Because to be honest, we can just all say our piece of whatever we want to say, but at the end of the day, bona bakamseleko noVuyakazi, they know what happened. They know the exact thing that happened. And then yeah, man, it's just kuningi nje. It's like this episode was just nguMayeni no Vuyakazi. So I wonder what the next episodes will be about, or if there'll be any other episodes. I'm not sure. I'm just wondering why. So maybe they choosing to focus on one wife at a time, or maybe because the drama was on Mayeni a lot and not because I'd assume they would start with their first wife and then go down to the last. But it seems like and I wonder if a next season is coming up soon or not. So yeah, that's what went down on Itando Nestembu Uncut. I don't know if you're expecting more episodes or what, but thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.